In this video, we are challenging you to decorate your porch or outdoor space at no cost. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we are tackling the chaos that sometimes goes along with spring decorating. My friend Lauri at Creative Lauri and I are decorating our porches, and we are spending no money. That's right, nada, none, zero, zilch. It's a no-cost decorating collaboration. Refresh your porch, refresh your outdoor space. Throughout the year, we spend lots of money hauling at thrift stores and Dollar Tree and Pier 1. Well, now it's time to pull it out and put it to good use. But here's the deal. You've got to decorate your porch, your entryway, your stoop, or your balcony. We tried to take into consideration all the different types of living arrangements. So that's why we say porch, entryway, stoop, or balcony. Regardless of what your housing situation is, you should be able to participate. But just remember, you can't spend any money. You've got to pull it out from your closet, your basement, your garage, or whatever. You can't go out and buy it. It's got to be hiding somewhere in your home. Now, if you need to refurbish something, like you need to paint something to spruce it up, you can buy paint. But other than that, it's got to be something you've already got. You've got to shop your house, shop your stash for this no-cost decorating challenge. Refresh your porch, refresh your outdoor space. The challenge goes out today, April 9th, and your videos should go up on Thursday, April 19th. We're giving you 10 days to get the work done. And then we'll put up a playlist so that you can upload your video and check out all the videos of the other participants. We hope you'll join us in this no-cost decorating collaboration. In the meantime, check out Lauri's channel at Creative Lauri. She's a home stager and she does a lot of hauls, and she shows you how to use the things that she hauls in your home. You'll definitely be inspired by her creativity. And if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. If you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, health and beauty, and a little about decorating, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you next time.